Hi guys, Braden the Tech Man here. Sorry for the inconvenience on the last video. My brother was playing Roblox. I was trying to shove his phone into my camera's microphone to make it pick up the stuff. So yeah, sorry for that. So here's a tutorial on how to turn this into a baby monitor, sorta. So what you're gonna do is dial any number. Please don't do that. So I'm just gonna spam a bunch of numbers. But first we have to put this on speakerphone. Now press talk. And now we are going to go to the living room, set it there, and now we're gonna walk all the way back. As you could see, you could hear it there. I think my... Anthony, stop it! So that's how you do it, guys. Goodbye.
One new message.
This has been a Braden the Tech Man presentation.
Monday, 12:29 p.m. End of messages.